with life. Hold on, Koda. Welcome to another edition of Sharing Our Success. Again, my name's Brian Roshetsky. It's been a while since I've actually spoken to you like this, I know. But today I thought, you know what, let's take a drive on the electric car. Let's cruise down. We're gonna pick up some breakfast tacos at my favorite local restaurant, Ramos Tex-Mex. And we got Koda here, and we're gonna take a little electric car drive this morning, so check it out.
Wanna go for a car ride? Wanna go for a car ride? You ready to go for a car ride? Yeah, you wanna go for a car ride? You love going on a car ride. We go car ride in an electric car? You wanna go for a car ride in the electric car? Yeah, you do. All right, let me get my coffee. Oh, great. Little overflow.
Come on, man, you're just supposed to go TT. You're not supposed to poop in the neighbor's yard. God, this dog. All right, we're gonna take the old Kia Soul out for a morning cruise. Man, it was nice driving that Tesla the other day, that's for sure. Check this out. This is actually my Ryobi leaf blower. I got the electric lawnmower. We're all electric here, guys. Got the electric car. This is actually the favorite part of my car. Listen. Ready? Ding, 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 ding. That's pretty cute. Electric car? Yeah, because it's quiet and we don't scare off all the wildlife, so we can go see all the birds. You see any birds? You see any birds out there? All right, So, I have a tip for you. If you have to go into a store and wear a mask, don't leave your mask sitting next to the coconut air freshener. Your mask is gonna smell like coconuts. Just a tip. All right, we got the Ramos breakfast, and we got Koda Bear the dog. You ready? You ready to go? Oh, you're gonna get back there? Okay. I think I'm gonna take Koda over. What it's like having an electric car when you pull in to a soccer field. You wanna go run? You wanna go run? Let's go. Go under there. Go under. Go under. Right there. Go. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. He's so fast. Koda, I can't keep up. Go, you're a good boy. You can listen. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Look at you, yeah. Grass is still wet. He's running. It's a nice morning though. It's real quiet out here. Which is why I drive the electric car. Don't be obnoxious. What are you eating? Yeah. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? When you say bye, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, got to see our friends. Did you get to see your friend, buddy? Ugh, you're all wet. There's your friend. You're all wet. He's completely wet. You're a silly boy. Silly boy. Alright, well, that's the Kia Soul EV right there. Does everything we need to do. He's been a champion of a car. I've now had this car for over a year now, and I charge it up for free most of the time. When I went to test drive the Tesla, I charged up for free at the Whole Foods. It's got free charging station there. There's another charging station over here that I use that's got solar. Hey, get out of there! It's got solar panels. So it's just a great car. It really is. And you know, it's got a great dog in it. Oh, they're gonna think it's a Nissan Leaf. It's not. It's a Kia Soul. Exhibit A, loud truck. Exhibit B, quiet, fast electric car. Hold on, Koda.